Back to Alien Destination. This video is sponsored by ZYL Tech. Yes, I printed this R2D2. Still not done with it yet, but he asked me, am I gonna paint R2D2? I think I'm gonna leave it like how it is. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's R2D2, but it's not like original R2D2. This is the information. You could go visit them on www.zyltech.com. All the specifications, PLA. This is all done in PLA. Still not done with the R2D2. Brought to you by ZYL Tech. The only reason why I'm not done with it yet is because I ran out of filament. These open up. Head moves. The leg, the middle leg. Oh, don't move. But this gantry moves by this, goes down. I don't really like it. So yeah. Oh, if you want to see some of the little mugs I made, sublimated mugs. But yep, R2D2. Watching Alien Destination, and we'll see you soon.